How to make money as a freelancer in Uganda. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to make money as a freelancer? Freelancing is becoming increasingly popular, and good reason. It offers the flexibility to work from anywhere, set your schedule, and be your boss. However, with so many freelancers available, it can take time to stand out and make a decent income. But don't worry, with this video, I will share my 10 proven ways to make money quickly as a freelancer in Uganda. Step 1. Start a blog. Blogging provides an opportunity to showcase expertise and attract potential clients. It's also an excellent platform to monetize through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and advertising. Identify your niche, create valuable content, and promote your blog on social media to drive traffic and increase your earning potential. Step 2. Start freelance writing. Freelance writing is a popular choice for those looking to make money online. There's a high demand for content writers, copywriters, and bloggers. You can find freelance writing jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and through networking. Build a portfolio of your work and pitch to potential clients to increase your earning potential. Step 3. Become a virtual assistant. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and good at multitasking, consider becoming a virtual assistant. Working remotely, virtual assistants offer administrative assistance to clients in various areas. You can provide services such as managing emails, scheduling appointments, and bookkeeping. You can find virtual assistant jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and social media. Step 4. Become a social media manager. Social media is a vital marketing tool for businesses, and many are looking for someone to manage their social media accounts. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating content, engaging with followers, and analyzing metrics. You can find social media manager jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and through networking. Step 5. Become a graphic designer. If you have a flair for creativity and possess a keen eye for design, then becoming a graphic designer could be a lucrative career option for you. Graphic designers create visual content such as logos, website layouts, and marketing materials. You can find graphic design jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and through networking. Build a portfolio of your work and showcase your skills to attract potential clients. Step 6. Become a web developer. Web development is a highly sought-after skill, and there's a high demand for web developers. The role of a web developer entails the creation and maintenance of websites, and this requires a diverse skill set and attention to detail. You can find web development jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and through networking. Build a portfolio of your work and showcase your skills to attract potential clients. Step 7. Start online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider becoming an online tutor. Online tutoring is becoming increasingly popular, and you can teach students from all over the world. You can find online tutoring jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces, and through networking. Create a profile highlighting your qualifications and expertise to attract potential clients. Step 8. Become an e-commerce seller. If you have a product to sell, consider becoming an e-commerce seller. E-commerce platforms such as Amazon and Etsy Shop make it easy to sell your products online. By leveraging platforms like Shopify, it's possible to create a customized e-commerce website that aligns with your brand and business goals, giving you more autonomy and control over your online presence. Conduct market research, identify your target audience, and create a marketing strategy to increase your earning potential. Step 9. Become a translator. If you're bilingual, consider becoming a translator. Translators translate documents, websites, and other content from one language to another. You can find translation jobs on job boards, freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com, and People Per Hour, etc., and through networking. Build a portfolio of your work and showcase your language skills to attract potential clients. Step 10. Take online surveys. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to make money online, consider taking online surveys. Many market research companies pay people to survey and provide product and service feedback. While it may not be the most lucrative option, it's a simple way to earn extra cash. Look for reputable survey websites and sign up to start earning. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money as a freelancer. Whether you're a writer, or designer, or have other skills, there are opportunities out there to earn a decent income. Identify your niche, build a portfolio of your work, and promote your services to attract potential clients. Freelancing requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance, but the rewards can be significant. Start exploring these 10 proven ways to make money quickly as a freelancer today.